Okay, guys, today we are going to continue with our shading training. Okay, how to better our shading. Yeah, as someone who is interested in drawing should know how to shade. Okay, well, not anyhow. So for the first video was just an introduction. So to continue with this, I'm just trying to teach you something today too. So what I'm going to try to teach you is when you are trying to shade or in shading, you have to keep this in mind that we blend. Okay, when I say blend, you let me do a little bit illustration here for you to see, and you have to also practice on this. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so think you have to get this is actually a 7B pencil. You can check that. Okay, it's a 7B pencil. So just watch and practice too. Okay, so I'm just trying to show you something here. Okay, so these are the tones in shading. I think you have to check it. Okay, so in shading we got tones. We have the light tone, the middle, and the dark tone. Yeah, in every in shading, this is how it looks. So this is how maybe someone who's going to teach you shading will tell you or try to show to you this. This is how shading is. It is in tones. But when you look at this thing and you try to use this thing to apply it in your work, it's not going to work too. Just like the previous video I just did. This is not going to work. Okay. So let me say maybe you have drawn this thing. Okay, and you want to shade it, and you just shade it. Let's use this thing. Okay, you just watch it. There is something in I'm going to teach you, so you just focus on it. Okay, so I just shade it. It says dark, middle, and light. Okay, have you seen? Even though we can find the dark, the middle, and the light one. Okay, but this shading is so cool. It doesn't actually appreciate me, even though it looks like a shading. This shading is just, I think, even the little child will not do this. So, if you want to actually better it, let me teach you how to actually increase or become perfect in shading. Okay, so let's start with this. Let's draw the same box here. Okay, let's draw the same box here, and let's shade it. You just watch the dark tone. I put much pressure on it. Okay, so you just watch. There is much pressure, but when I'm coming forward to the middle tone, I just release the pressure. Okay, I just release it, so you can see that. Okay, you can see that I have just released the pressure when coming to even the light tone. I just come back just to make it perfect. Okay, just apply a little bit pencil. Now you can see there is something different. What I'm doing right now is I'm blending it. I'm blending the dark tone together with the middle tone, and and here too I'm blending the middle tone together with the light tone. Okay, so if you actually do this in your shading, it become perfect. Okay, it become perfect. Okay, so you can see that there is a difference between this and this. So if you actually use this type of, because this you can find here your light, your middle, and your dark tone. Okay, if you actually use this to shade this thing, it's going to look perfect. It's just going to look like a 3D round object. Okay, so let's try and maybe try to use it to shade it. Let's draw something. Okay, so just draw something here, round, free hand. Okay, so you see it's light. I just use a 2H, okay, 2H to draw, and I didn't put much pressure on it. Okay, so we just take our 7B, okay, 7B, and we just try to apply this one, okay, into this. So let's watch carefully. I put much pressure on it. Okay. So guys, just watch, okay? You guys will just watch. At the back, I put much pressure. But coming forward, I just decrease it, okay? Just trying to see this round object here. Okay. Now, you can see that. Okay. Okay, there's something later. Even though you can see the middle tone, the light tone, but they are blended together, okay? You are not going to see the end of the dark tone or the end of the middle tone, okay? They are all blend together, okay? But for this one, you can see the end, because you can see that the dark tone actually ends this place, and the middle tone actually ends this place, just like this one. Okay, but for this one, you cannot tell me say it ends at this place, or because it blends together. Okay, so let's just check it. Okay, so that's how it's going to be. So when you practice much, you're going to find it perfect. So you just need a little support just to show you how to overcome it. Okay, so thanks for watching, and again, please subscribe and like my video for more if you actually like the video.